Are you an author looking for a way to tell your story? Pressbooks Public is a do-it-yourself book design and production platform that lets you easily create and produce professional quality books for both web and print. Using this publishing platform, you can bypass the high costs of traditional channels and get your book ready to share with the world. If you have a library card from a subscribing library, you can use this service for free. What can you do with Pressbooks Public? Easily create a book from scratch, choosing from over 20 professionally designed themes to match your book's tone and style. Organize your content seamlessly from front matter to back matter. Add text, images, videos, and other types of multimedia to make your book interesting and engaging for readers. You can publish your book to the web for easy online access and export as many book files as you would like in multiple file formats. Once exported, you can market, sell, and distribute your book however you would like. You can submit your book to the Indie Author Project directly from Pressbooks using the Publish feature. Pressbooks Public is trusted by thousands of users and teams, including independent authors looking to bring their creative visions to life, community members coming together to document memories or create personal histories, and small publishers and entrepreneurs looking to share their expertise in a polished format. You can create your account through your library's Pressbooks instance, available on their website, or directly through BiblioBoard through the Indie Author Project webpage. You can create your account and sign in using your BiblioBoard library credentials. Once you are registered, you can get started by creating your first digital book. From there, you can create chapters and sections and then write or import the text using Pressbooks' user-friendly visual editor. Designing your book with Pressbooks Public is easy. The pre-built themes will automatically apply preset font stylings and other design elements, while the cover generator helps you easily produce professional-looking book covers. Once finished, you can easily export in a variety of formats and share via the channels of your choice. Need help getting started? You can find simple how-to instructions and videos in the Pressbooks User Guide or YouTube channel to help answer questions you may have while writing and publishing your book with Pressbooks Public. Ready to bring your book to life? Get started for free today through your local library.